Number 6. Communication interference. A scan tool like VCDS communicates with control modules over a diagnostic K-line or CAN bus. To keep things simple, a diagnostic K-line or CAN bus is like a shared telephone party line where various control modules communicate over the same shared wiring. If there is signal noise or interference introduced into the telephone party line, that can prevent a scan tool from communicating with some or all control modules in the vehicle. Non-factory hardware, such as aftermarket radios, tracking devices, or data loggers can cause communication issues. You can also have a failed factory control module corrupting the diagnostic party line. If this is the case, unplugging the control module will resolve the issue. And lastly, wiring harness issues such as broken wires, shorted wires, or corrosion issues can prevent a scan tool from having communication with all control modules. Number 5. Ignition not turned on. Number 4. Weak or dead battery. It should go without saying that a dead battery will mean dead control modules, but a weak battery can cause issues in that some modules might communicate and not others. And also low voltage may cause issue in that you can communicate with a control module but not perform certain functions like basic settings or coding. You should have a minimum of 12 volts at the control module itself for stable communication. If the condition of the main battery is in doubt, then hook up a battery maintainer as per the owner's manual. Number 3. Trying to scan a control module the car does not have. It is up to the end user to know what control modules are expected in the vehicle they are connected to. This can be a bit confusing for new users because what modules the Germans put in can vary from one vehicle to the next. As you are learning the diagnostic ropes, our web forum is an excellent free resource available to all Rostec customers for assistance with these types of questions. Number 2. Failure of the Holy Trinity. For any given control module to communicate, you must have the Holy Trinity: powers, grounds, data. It is up to the end user to verify these 3 items are to factory design. Number 1. Failed control module. If everything else is to factory design, then the last remaining option is in fact a dead control module that will need to be replaced.